What's that big thing here? Where you hide when you're going for war? This one? Big gun? Ah, yeah. That's... And then that's small hideout or something. Hiding. So that's how you hide when you go. The door's closed. But this is World War II. This is where they hide it. Big area. The doors open here. Look, the doors open here. Only this room. Rubbish. It's empty. It's all. Yeah.
Some say it's far, some say it's wide, but when you follow your heart, there's nowhere to hide.
That's a big gun. That's hiding. Where they hiding, huh?
Might have been radar. Might have been taller back in the day and radar.
Scary. This is big damage.
Yeah, that's me. Every click, every laugh, every place will be. See you on the next adventure.
Is this been like this? Huh? Is this been like this? That's the very slippery. That one is scary. Darwin rocket site. Darwin rocket site was first established here in May 1974. This is the part of the war. What's that? There's someone there.